glitch. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers with my brother.
It's a challenge.
But we're on different screens right now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So we got the new one for Halloween.
Yeah. Wait, what?
We got the new one for Halloween.
Look at this. Look at this Subway Surfer.
Oh, I'm lagging.
I'm lagging too.
I'm lagging because I'm probably recording while doing this.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is a really fast game.
Yeah. I'm gonna die. Oh god. I got a mystery box.
I have some pills and kidding what?
What the?
Collection 2,500 points. Mission complete.
Oh no, I go. Gosh.
I don't know how I did that though. That's just random.
Almost died. I want the police to die.
Let me check my mission.
Yeah, I'm dead.
I got a ghost.
I died.
Don't yell. Don't yell. Don't yell. I don't know what my missions are, so I'm gonna have to...
I got a tricky hat.
I didn't even know I got a mystery box. I didn't even get a mystery box.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, I'm gonna check if I got a mystery box or not. That's creepy. What? I think it's because of lag, Jordy.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. It is the lag thing.
Guys, I wanna pause this. So, guys, I'm gonna pause.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause 19 to check what. Mystery. Buy one mystery box. Okay, I'll buy one.
Resume.
I'll buy one after this one.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh. And then I have times 6 on my board up here. Dang it, I double tapped it.
You double tapped it? Why?
Yes, because...
all the police got hit from the face when I put in that hoverboard.
I think mine did too. I'm just kidding. Dude, there's a screen painting. You guys better have seen that. You guys can go back.
Did you saw a scream?
Yeah, I saw a screen painting. Yeah.
Shush.
Pretty creepy.
Shush, my mom says to shut up. You shut up first.
I'm gonna do it after Bella. I got 100 points straight.
No.
Let's get in my jetpack. Woo! I think it's only doing this because of the freaking lag.
Oh no. Like, oh no! I just got, no, I'm dead.
I just got,
Oh, scream.
Oh, scream.
I saw scream.
I see. I didn't die.
Gosh, we're going to start this one. My sister
I'm gonna get a
does.
mystery box.
Oh, gosh, you just died. Oh, gosh.
You just started a round without me, and I know you did it on purpose. I know I did.
Scream is scary.
Scream makes me
Scream.
I'm just kidding. Does anyone actually scream when they're scared? Does anyone really?
I do.
I just think they do it for attention, but I've never screamed. I don't think I have goosebumps when I'm scared. I just like jump up in the air and like hug myself when I'm scared. That's what I do.
What the heck? What's wrong with you? Mystery box. You got, okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
No, it wants me to buy a mystery box so I can get my next one.
I'm gonna buy my mystery
Let's
box.
buy a mystery box.
Yeah. Oh, I bought a mystery box.
Go to the store.
Oh, I got Tricky's hat.
I need a mystery.
The more? Oh, okay. Oh, I got. You unlocked Tricky.
You never got Tricky before.
I got Tricky.
Oh, I forgot.
I got Tricky. I'm gonna select Tricky.
Good. This makes no sense. Where do you buy the mystery boxes? Oh, that's 500 for...
Oh, 1.
I'm doing it anyways.
1,
I'm about
2, 1, 1,
I got my
1,
guitar.
1, 1, 2.
I got my mission set complete now.
1,
Okay, shut up.
2, 3.
3.
What the? I just started before
what
you.
new missions do I have?
I'm Tricky. I'm
There's one
dead.
hoverboard. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I just used my hoverboard out of nowhere. Like, I'm doing this mission.
I'm using one hoverboard.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Julia, did you got this one? Did you got this hoverboard?
Huh?
Did you got this hoverboard?
No, I never bought it.
Oh gosh, I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
They've got breakfast before you started.
Oh
Very cool.
gosh, I saw Scream.
He's in everywhere, okay? Stop acting like you never saw him before. Because I never saw him before, and now you're scared.
What the? Oh gosh,
There's
oh gosh,
a rabbit,
Sharky,
and I wanna be
Sharky, are you
actress.
scared?
Like a black,
Sharky's scared.
black bear, you know, one of those black bears. Bears, right? Yes.
Someone's. I'm hungry.
Hi.
This lag. Oh gosh, I died. Oh, I died. The zombie's eating my brains.
Oh God, I just coughed so hard. I mean, sneezed so hard. And now my throat hurts.
I'm gonna select this. Wait, look it.
Hmm.
Look it. Yeah, look it.
Mm-hmm.
Just look it. Look it.
I will go to
Look at this. Look at this, Jules.
Okay, you're trying to kill me, aren't you?
Jules, just pause it. Look it.
I don't get it. Okay, pick up 5 magnets, 2 left. I need 2 more magnets. Magnets.
I want to run away from you. Ah, the zombie's eating my brains. Ah! This is so. Oh gosh, I died.
I died.
Oh gosh,
You only have 9 coins. You did die.
I died.
You died because you lied. One time I had a mission to roll 30 times, and then I started rolling everywhere and in front of the cups, and I was rolling in front of everyone. And then one time I rolled when it was one of those like boards, like this board right here on the floor right there. This kind of board right here. When I rolled, and then I didn't die somehow. I like glitched through.
What the?
I don't know how that happened. It was weird.
Yeah, that was weird. Oh gosh.
It was awesome. Sort of ish.
Recordable mod. Mob. It is mob. Okay, it's mob.
It says Moby.
Moby.
Hey, my name's Recordable Moby. Bad for someone who's called Recordable Moby.
Oh no, I
Today, Recordable Moby is out here.
What?
Yeah. Happy.
What the heck?
Happy.
What are you doing right now?
Happy.
Stop it! That's annoying me.
Ever since third grade, I started being all weirdish. You know, like singing weird songs, doing this weird little weird cute baby voice, like a jokey wokey kind of voice. Like when you see a doggy, you start talking to it and you go, oh, you a cute weird jokey wokey. I start doing that voice in class, and it's so weird, and everyone's like, I hate that girl, and I'm like, whatever. And the haters gonna hate.
Oh gosh, I died. Shoot, why? What the heck?
What the heck?
Great Subway Surfers, sir. What the heck?
I said not right now because I don't think that's all I'm gonna do. So I said press no.
What is Jake gonna be in Halloween?
Jake?
Yeah. I think he's gonna be zombie.
Trixie wants to be a unicorn. I mean, cheerleader. A cheerleader. And so does the other girl too.
This
They're
guy.
both blondes and they have
This guy's already trick or treating. He's wearing his.
Trick or treat?
Yeah, he's freaking
Really?
treating. Yeah, he's wearing his black costume.
Okay. It's like a dark side of him. It's the glow light side.
The
and
zombie's
then he all
eating my
turns dark, And then
brains.
he's like, I am part of the dark side. And he slays
The
them all.
the zombie ate my brain.
I'm gonna grab a ghost.
You
I got 5 ghosts.
How come you never got killed?
Because I am a boss. Because I'm a boss like that. Yeah, I'm a boss like that.
Stop
So you
it!
fly
Stop
in the
it!
air
Stop!
with
Stop!
all
Stop!
the hair.
You're making me unconcentrate. Stop! Stop! Stop!
I'm trying to play I feel bad for Mom. I know she like woke up earlier.
I got my first ghost.
But like you might be getting her mad.
Stop it, Wabbit!
I got 12.
You little cute
I have 6 of those.
A ghost!
Oh, that's right.
God dang it. I got a mystery box. I got a mystery box. The Iron One.
Oh, what? How many monies do I have in this stack?
What the money?
I only have 219.
How many people are there?
Look at my score.
I want to open my mystery box.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to rate this game.
I got some money. Oh yeah. I stealed some money from the bank.
It won't let me rate it, so.
Shoot,
Oopsie.
shoot.
So let's do.
Shoot. Yeah.
It won't let me. Oh wow.
Brains got eaten from a
Hey.
zombie. Rawr.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Jinx. Just kidding. Jinx is not off your
I'm
face.
writing.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Guys, leave the comments down below if you want to
So,
eat
it's Friday.
something right now. Go to IHOP, not
No.
Denny's.
Go to Olive Garden.
No, don't go to Olive Garden.
Go to it. Even
Oh,
Sky
puke! Oh, puke!
Minecraft wants it, okay? So does Ross.
IHOP. You want to go to IHOP? Go to IHOP.
It's
Even
Madeline.
Ross will be there.
Oh, I just read this girl's name.
Leave the comments down below if you want to see Ross in
My
IHOP.
opinion.
You want to be?
I think you ask for others' opinion too much.
Guys,
I'm kidding. I think this is
Guys, you
a
want
great game.
to see Ross at IHOP? Go to IHOP right now to see Ross.
He doesn't go to IHOP anymore because they don't freaking sponsor them. What?
Nothing.
You want me to tell Mom?
No. No. Oh, I have too much
know you
people.
are.
I have people on my
I
list.
know you want it 'cause you're a good girl.
Yeah. I know. Oh gosh, I died.
'Cause that's a
Hashtag Rick.
Oh, what?
If you're British, speak British. My sister speaks British.
I have
British.
an accent, lady.
You are like Dantidium.
When you say lol with an accent, it sounds terrible.
Whoa. What is this? Oh gosh. What is this? 3 makeup. I'm gonna do this. Oh, I got 2 of them. I'm flying so
So
fast.
yeah, guys, bye.
Magnet.
This isn't my bed. That's
No! Ah! No, I got 2 blocks. I'm
Bye,
dead.
everyone. Hope you enjoyed this.
Yeah.
Enjoy the boy
Bye.
Sisters.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.